Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Tuesday, 28th of February, and I am just checking up on the St Chad's Hotel just to see if any demolition has started yet. As you can see, it hasn't started yet. We can hear some noises coming from the site, so there is something going on, but not demolition. You can see there, my garden furniture is still up there. Look at that. Not sure what that noise is. Something motorised rumbling up. Not sure what it is. Probably something inside the building, possibly. Can't really see. But as we can see from here, there is absolutely no demolition that's started yet. I'm just going to have a peek to the side because there's a crossing here, so we can just cross over here. Let's cross over and take a look through here and look at the side and see if we can figure out the source of that noise what we're hearing. Yeah, it's something that's going on inside the Lyric Hotel building, because that's where the noise is coming from, and you can see there's a wire going into there, and I can see movement inside the Lyric. I think I can. So yeah, they'll be just taking something apart or packing it up. Oh, hang on, let's have a look. Yeah, they're just cutting, hacking through something. But that is the state of the St Chad's today. We can see that there are people on site and there are people working, but there is no actual demolition started yet. But I will keep you guys up to date. I will keep popping down and I will keep an eye on things. So yeah, that is it for this little video, just a short update. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, just hit the like button for me, and I will see you all soon in the next one. Goodbye.